I'm going to talk about K-beauty skincare brands you need to know about and which ones actually work.
Most of my daily skincare is Korean beauty products. They will really give you the most plump, hydrated, glassy skin.
K-beauty has completely changed the way people think about skincare. But at this point, there are so many brands that it's hard to know which ones actually work. Today, I'm breaking down 5 K-beauty brands, their best products, and what ingredients they have in them that actually make a difference. K-beauty isn't just about cute packaging or 10-step routines. It's really about prevention, hydration, and maintaining your skin barrier. A lot of these brands focus on gentle ingredients, layering hydration, and long-term skin health. So if your skin has been feeling irritated, dry, or off, this approach makes a huge difference. Let's start with one of the most well-known, Laneige. This brand is all about hydration. Their most iconic product is the lip sleeping mask. But what really stands out is they're focused on water-based science. They use ingredients like hyaluronic acid, mineral water blends, moisture locking technology. So if your skin feels dry or dehydrated, this is a great place to start. Their cream skin toner is also huge because it combines toner and a moisturizer in one step. Brand number 2. The next brand is COSRX. This brand is known for being simple, effective, and ingredient focused. Their most viral product is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Snail mucin might sound weird, but it's actually amazing for hydration, skin repair, and reducing irritation.
Dermatologist tip for getting glass skin. If you want that skin you see that reflects like a mirror, this is how you do it. Let's get to it. And your first step is snail mucin. The COSRX is what I use.
If you're dealing with acne sensitivity or texture, this brand is very targeted and results driven. Brand number 3. Brand number 3 is Innisfree.
Today I'm going to show you how to use Innisfree's Vitamin C Mask to Foam Cleanser.
This brand focuses on natural ingredients from Jeju Island. Their most popular line includes green tea skincare. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, which help with soothing the skin, reducing inflammation, protecting against environmental damage. They also use volcanic clay in their masks. Which is great for oil control and pores. This brand is a good balance between natural and effective. Brand number 4, Dr. Jart. This brand is more science-driven. They are known for their Psychopair line, which focuses on calming and repairing the skin. The key ingredient here is Centella asiatica. This ingredient is huge in K-beauty. It helps with redness, inflammation, skin barrier repair, and if your skin is sensitive or reactive, it's a really good ingredient. This is one of the best to look into. Brand number 5 is Beauty of Joseon. This is my favorite. This brand has blown up recently and for good reason. They are extremely popular on TikTok.
The theme today is dewy and glazed, like a donut. And I have donuts and glam on the way. This is the Dynasty Cream from Beauty of Joseon.
Skin tint meets SPF. And finally, one that actually works.
They combine traditional Korean herbal ingredients with modern skincare science. Their most popular product is the Glow Serum. It uses propolis, niacinamide, and propolis helps with healing and glow, while niacinamide helps with brightening and oil control. They also use ingredients like rice extract and ginseng, which are deeply rooted in Korean skincare traditions, and ginseng really helps with inflammation. Here is what I have from Beauty of Joseon. These are ginseng eye patches, and they are very cooling, anti-inflammatory, help with redness and puffiness, and they come at a great price. There are 60 in here, so they last for quite a long time. One other bonus brand that I have is Sunjun Naturals. And this is a brand that I discovered at, I think it was Ross, but these Korean hydrocolloid spot patches are actually the best. They come in 2 sizes for day and for night, and you can just put them on your pimple at night, and by the time you wake up, it is nearly completely gone. So these are my new faves. So let's talk about why K-Beauty and K-Skincare works so well. It's not just the products, it's the philosophy. Instead of aggressively treating the skin, it focuses on supporting it. Hydration, barrier repair, and gentle ingredients are really important, and that's why so many people see better results when they switch to this approach with Korean skincare. If you're trying to get into K-Beauty, start simple. Pick 1 or 2 products based on your skin concerns. You don't need a 10-step routine. Just focus on consistency and ingredients. Let me know if you've tried any of these brands or if you have others that you want to recommend. Put them in the comments below. And if you want more skincare and beauty breakdowns, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.